on Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Turd.
No. We're off to Rope Drop Magic Kingdom. What kind of?
I was about to say, I went a bit late to Rope Drop.
No. It doesn't open till 8:30.
We might not be at the front of the rope drop queues, but...
No. But we're not rope dropping anything big. We're going to rope drop Peter Pan and then Winnie the Pooh.
Peter Pan does get quite busy though, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. And then we want the waffle breakfast we had on our first day. The bus is there. Do we walk a bit quicker? Look lively? Look like we want the bus? Shane's definitely not going to do it. We'll make it look like the guy knows we want to get on the bus. Oh, that's it. People keep getting on.
Oh, there's a second bus for Magic Kingdom.
Oh, okay. These people have got t-shirts on that says Eat, Sleep, Disney, Repeat. Yes, please. Oh. There, I look how far it's behind. Oh no. Oh.
There's one behind, isn't there?
Just rude. Is it this one? Shit. He just walked on. Don't pretend like you ran to get on the bus.
I don't need to. I used tactics.
Smells fun to stay on this bus.
I feel like you could have just waited.
Yeah, or even just looked around.
Yeah. Look around, see if anyone's fast sprinting. No, yeah. Here we go. We are also down to a trio today. Or maybe for Magic Kingdom. He's still asleep. We're convinced it's probably because the F1's on.
Yeah. You'll probably be up right now.
I know.
Soon.
I just have a lazy day. Right, the joys of the scanners. That was nice and easy. Didn't get my bag checked this time. I'm going in.
Oh, you can come right up here. Oh, here. You open it down right there. Sorry, and I completely missed what you said. It's okay. You only scan it.
Thank you. Hats on. Yeah, I've got that Spirit jersey. What? Am I confused?
If you're here for early entry, this is the only way in, folks. If you're here for Bibbidi Bobbidi or for breakfast reservations, you're going to head to your left side.
I just scanned my budget band. I do like seeing it at this time. Yeah, but like barely anybody in it. Day mate.
Off to Neverland!
Oh, Nana. On the mermaid.
That's definitely Ariel.
Oh no.
Watch your steps. Do not lift up on your safety bar. It will lift automatically. Then exit to your right.
So Peter Pan was a 40-minute wait and we only did 20. 20 minutes for Peter Pan. I'll take that.
I think it felt longer than 20 minutes. Sure.
Yeah, but I looked at my watch at 8:30 and we got on at 10:20. What do we think to Peter Pan? We won't ask him.
It was good. I liked it. You could tell it was one of the older rides.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to love Winnie the Pooh. I did love Winnie the Pooh more than Peter Pan as a kid.
We're now going on my ride, which is Winnie the Pooh.
Who was your favourite character when you were younger?
Piglet.
Was it? Mine was always Eeyore.
Shane, what was your favourite Winnie the Pooh character? I think I like Piglet because she was the smallest.
Yeah.
Never had to do Winnie the Pooh.
Really?
Never.
My sister always liked Tigger and I always liked Eeyores. Every time we had merchandise, it was always one or the other. We had bowls and books.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we were very into Winnie the Pooh.
You should get the EPCOT.
Why didn't you watch Winnie the Pooh?
Well, Beauty and the Beast, Peter Pan, Jungle Book, and then other than that it was Mad Max and Predator and
You and Jungle Book. We're going to have to watch Jungle Book. We'll attempt to. We're not doing very well.
well, we haven't watched a single thing yet.
No. You've watched? No, if you've fallen asleep in between them, watch the end.
One day, 100-acre wood, east wind traded ice.
Ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Oh dear. Hang on tightly,
Come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me. This way. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for Evelyn and Noodles. They're still hungry.
They love it.
bit nude.
Socks.
They're quite cool. I like that they're fluffy.
Quite sexy. Where's the men's? Hey.
Oh, they like the thick ones as well.
Go with that.
Why is it an issue?
I'm not quite sure.
Well, it just completes the outfit.
Does really, doesn't it? You may have to go buy that.
They're not actually that bad. They're just a bit lavish for me. I know. And Pooh's soft. Not today.
Really?
I want Grogu ones.
Really?
Really?
I want slip crocs.
The eels are quite cute. Oh, his tail's falling off. They're broken. Whoa.
So what did we think to that ride?
I liked it. I think that was my favourite Winnie the Pooh episode.
Really?
Or is it in the film?
It's in the film.
I don't
Because
know,
I
it's
watched
the
it.
nightmare.
With
And
the
it used
elephants.
to scare me as a kid.
I feel like it is a bit psychedelic, is that the
Yeah.
word? Like we've all just taken a trip.
Yes. I liked it.
Better than Peter Pan?
Yes. I like that better.
So. Me?
Yeah.
I think it's cute. I think I prefer Peter Pan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what. Yeah. I don't remember that story for Winnie the Pooh very well. And yeah, I think when it gets in the dream, we go a bit woo weird.
Yeah.
But yeah, again, posted 30 minutes. I would think 20 minutes.
Yeah. It wasn't very long.
Not 20 minutes, in and out.
It's a very noisy queue.
Yeah, very noisy queue. If you can't tell, we're very kid people. So now we're going to feed Shane.
Yes.
We're going to get some breakfast. Because we're all dreaming of the waffles we had on day one. Dee-dee-dee.
I mean, it does remind me of Duloc and Shrek. This place. Imagine if it was empty.
Yeah.
That's what it's like there.
Breakfast. Why do they look the same? That's Fruit Bear, surely.
Yep.
At least I feel like you've got way more than we had the other day.
Yeah.
Let's try the cheeky. Go get Christmassy. I have this one. This is what I got. I managed to get this home. It gets packed very well. Like it's fully packed in a box and then in a box.
All right.
Patient Shane. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, I like that one.
I quite like that one.
I might get it now because we're just going to go to the Riviera, aren't we?
Yeah, that's what we want to do. Have a look right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I've looked. We can just get the bus
Yeah.
to the Riviera, yeah.
And then from Riviera on to
Skyliner.
Skyline.
Yeah, nice. I think this is for all the pot.
That's anyway we want to do.
I was going to do Space Mountain, but it's got a long wait now. So. Oh my god, the cats would go mental. Just put it at the bottom.
Yeah.
I haven't even looked how much this is.
$1 million.
$34.99.
That's good.
What are those? Set of 4 ornaments.
Yeah.
Oh, you can have them on their own. Just Tower of Terror just doesn't look like it should be an ornament.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the apple.
That's
pull the string out for Christmas.
No, you don't want an Avengers tree?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's cute. I'm trying to think, like, my tree's always themed. I feel like I have a blue tree, so I'm alright.
We just swapped out that. Turned up for like today, so we're not even around to see it.
What's that on it?
What about a river?
Oh, that's nice.
No. Yeah, the nice one. Oh,
That one's cute.
yeah. Any particular one?
So what? Oh, there's the piano. There on the right. So he'll be there in the afternoons. So we're going to try and find him on Wednesday.
That red spirit jersey jump.
Oh, so do you want to go in here?
With Mickey Mouse on it.
Yeah, I think this goes all the way down.
Oh.
Oh, I've already got through. Oh, scary. Oh. It's time to get the mug. Get it to match the set. Lisa. Cheers. It's both walking.
Yeah, I've already got one, haven't I?
We are heading out of Magic Kingdom to go check out the Riviera. We could do the train on Wednesday.
Yeah. That'd be good. I feel like Wednesday's turning into a full day of Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. Oh, we'll do it Wednesday. Oh, we'll do it Wednesday.
Yeah, do it Wednesday.
I mean, we don't have to rope drop it. Thank you. Has he swapped sides? Was he not the guy on the way in?
There's in a nice little wind tunnel there. Wow, look at the amount of people stuff.
How do we get out? Oh. Well, we need to go that way anyway for the bus. Shane, don't walk in front of the picture.
Why not?
Let me take a picture.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would also like to go to the Grand Floridian on the monorail.
I was just wondering about that.
Shall I do that now?
Because we were thinking, because I'm just wondering, how do we get from Grand Floridian over to, actually, to be fair, we go to Grand Floridian,
Yeah.
then catch whatever there is there over to Hollywood or EPCOT, and then just get the monorail back. Not monorail.
Skyliner.
Where do the boats go?
So they go the other side to... So we could get on a boat to the Grand Floridian, or you can get on the monorail and go round. What do you fancy?
Go and have a look at the posh place.
Yeah. So that goes to Wilderness Lodge. Should we go on the monorail? Monorail or boat?
Boat.
Boat. Is it this one?
check out.
Because that's Wilderness Lodge. What does this say? Oh yeah, the Grand Floridian. Oh, we're gonna go on the boat.
This is when people know that we're not
Engine all hands. We are preparing to dock. This is a free-floating vessel.
Oh my god, that's the best photo ever.
You got Space Mountain in the background. Are you still here? You having a clean now?
I'm just doing the seat cap, see if it knows what it is.
We'll stay here one day
Yeah.
for a night.
I'm booking now.
I mean, how quick is that though? You could just nip over,
Yeah.
do a ride, nip back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll stay late and all.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, £62 to stay.
New York strip, 62 quid. Dollars.
Surf and turf, $89.
So we may stay here and not eat.
Yeah.
But there, and maybe you could have it in the meal plan.
Oh, yeah, it could be in the middle. Huh?
Oh, look at that little palm tree. So thin. They're all like that though. Oh, imagine having a little balcony there, that would be nice.
Oh, it feels nice here.
Imagine how much food that.
Oh, no. Oh, I was hoping this was going to be called Luigi. It's missing a few eyes. Lug.
Mickeys and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Like if we could put some giant Mickeys here.
And ruin the
Great.
aesthetic.
I don't know, these far as much fun as these, like, I think I'll be having fun all the time.
Yeah. The pool looks very civilised.
I presume this is the entrance over here.
Wow.
I'd love to know the average income place in the States.
Yeah. Oh, the beach overlooking the Polly.
This looks mega this when it took the water out.
Oh, it's Mad Hatters. We're waiting for the Mad Hatter's hat to fall. Three, two, one. And the kids ran away from it anyway. We're going in through the main entrance to get the full effect. Oh yeah, and there's a spa here. Oh! Ready for the weddings? Right, let's take Winnie the Pooh into the Grand Floridian. Oh, that's lovely. Oh.
Yes, the stairs are the elevator.
Is there a little store in here, a sundry store?
Yes, back left corner.
Oh wow. You have to go upstairs to the shops. It's under construction. It's having some pixie dust.
There's no end of people that complain about it.
This is where they build the big gingerbread house.
Or is it?
Yeah. We went in it when it springs the other day. Oh, they might have a t-shirt in here. That's nice. Another good jigsaw. Oh, they still sell silly hats in here. I like that. That is nice.
Nice, what?
Yeah. I haven't seen it anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So next time.
I mean, I'm doing Cinderella. We could do.
You could get that.
We could do.
Yeah, do it. You got really drunk, or is it clip on?
Oh yeah, probably. It's a drink, look. The lights to represent Belle's dress.
Where?
That big light, this yellow.
I thought you said there was an actual dress. An actual
No, I
rose.
said the light. No, it's called Enchanted Rose.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Look. Right. A loop. Oh, it's fancy.
Dejado de las puertas. Welcome aboard, please be standing while the headrooms are down in other doors.
To those guests who just joined us, welcome.
Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom in our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA. Gateway to the 16 lands of the Magic Kingdom. Smoking is not permitted at Magic Kingdom, except in the designated area outside the park entrance. If you are absent, please hold on to the handle and stand clear of the doors until the monorail stops traveling to EPCOT. Please remain on board. You'll need to change monorails just 2 stops away at the Transportation and Ticket Center. Please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. Approaching the Grand Canyon Concourse Station. For those of you standing, please hold on a hand. For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is the Transportation and Ticket Center, with continuing service to Disney's Polynesian Village and Grand Floridian Resorts. We are now entering Disney's Contemporary Resort. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. To the right is Disney-created Seven Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shores of Bay Lake are Disney's Port Wilderness Resort and Campground and Disney's Wilderness Lodge, home to Copper Creek Villas and Cabins.
All the motorboats, all the minivan.
Yeah, we're not paying for a minivan now.
Okay.
But we've now done the boat, the monorail, and we are doing our first park hop.
Yeah.
And we're park hopping to EPCOT. And later we're doing Hollywood Studios, so we'll have done 3 out of the 4 today.
That's it. Smashing it.
And it's only 11:38.
Get to Epcot just in time for some luncheon.
Some luncheon.
I don't know.
How are you hungry?
I only had like 3 bits of chicken or what?
I'm very thirsty.
Look,
I think I'm gonna queue for Pooh.
Queue for Pooh? Why is it queue at toilets?
I'm gonna queue for Winnie the Pooh. It can be where we meet Simon.
I told him give me a ring when he gets there.
Okay. Thank you. So we made it to EPCOT. And it seems busier than Magic Kingdom. But I'm rushing to see if I can meet Pooh. But he came out at 12 and it's 4 minutes past. So I think I'll be cutting it fine. And if there's a long queue, they'll probably already closed it off, so. But we'll see. Plus, Simon got on the Skyliner from Pop and is going to meet me there, so. If not, maybe I can wait for Pooh, but he'll be another hour or so. Let's see. You want to come all the way in?
Thank you.
There's plenty of room. Oh, matching. Can we have a picture? Thank you. Thank you, Pooh. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Celebratory, no, how do I say it? Celebratory Strombo for making it to Pooh. That was a great meet and greet. Great timing. Simon was there ready to hold the camera. I was next in line. He was super cute. But now I'm now sweating. The quick walk to Pooh is further than you think. And Simon's having a wake me up Guinness for breakfast. Job well done.
Yeah. Is that? It looks like a jamboree bear. It is.
We all just watch my stuff.
I don't know if you would be as good as bouncing as maybe finding honey though.
No, I think honey would be where I'd be at. Bye, Tigger! You ready, Lisa? Wave!
Refreshing.
Say you like it.
Ginger ale gets you, doesn't it? That's really nice. You want to try it?
Oh, there's a lot of things I don't like on the top of here.
Just get it down, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How nice is it?
That's right, refreshing.
I said that to you.
That's the nicest drink I've had. You tried it?
What?
Yeah.
Nice and strong.
Oh, okay, let's not get that one. But it's very refreshing.
It's really nice.
ginger beer that I can taste.
Yeah.
It hits the back of
Yeah, yeah. You have to drink it all in one go, Shane. I just keep going back for more. Do I like it? Don't I like it? Do I like it? That's nice. I like the little cans that they're in.
You so deliberate.
I'm still filming him, and he's just like.
It's alright.
He likes.
It's alright, it's not for me.
Why don't you pick one of your own then?
So you know what to pick.
Just read.
I thought you'd pick something half decent.
Yeah, I did.
You didn't.
Real nice, refreshing drink.
It's alright other than ginger ale.
Who's happy? I've never seen hummus with oil in before.
I don't know what this is.
Lisa looks like she's got spicy mayo
Yeah.
with hummus fries.
I think it's chipotle.
Oh, okay.
That's nice. It's just spices. Indian spices.
Does that mean I can have some of your bread now? Can I have that little one? That little teeny tiny one. Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's like coffee kebabs next level. Oh.
Hummus fries.
Back over there. Oh, they're nice.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Alright. We dipped it in mayo. Mayo's good.
Oh, it's got jasmine. Moroccan jewellery. Camel. But it says jasmine. Oh no. No, I just said that. Here's a camel. But jasmine comes with a bit of a veil. Oh, that's quite nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
It's a bit of a. I don't know what these are. Robin the lamp. I had to wear one of these for my birthday when I was in Morocco. Yeah, they dressed me up. Oh.
Representing the Kingdom of Morocco.
Shane's eating a troll horn. That's really nice.
Good, good.
And then what's the other one? A school bread.
Yeah.
And Lisa's had.
Chocolate kringler, which I need to eat really fast because it's got loads of chocolate on. And icing.
That looks nice. It looks like a naan bread with chocolate on.
Yeah.
We are heading back into Mexico for our last stop before we go back. And then get ready for Hollywood Studios. It is hot. Pooh Bear is hot. Are you choosing a spirit level?
I don't know what you're eating. If you wait for that.
Are you getting a big one?
I'd like one of these size ones. I don't know whether to get like a standing up cat or a lying down cat.
Oh. Could have a wonky head cat. my favourite pavilion.
Oh yeah, definitely, by far.
This is super cool. Huh? That's what we should have all had when we were drinking around the world.
It's too hot for that.
It's hot. You got your spirit animal?
I've got my spirit animal.
Standing up or lying down
And his
cat?
tail comes out, so I won't damage him on the way home. So I can pull his tail out. I got this cat with the tail.
Love it. Right, we're ready to go back.
Look at these are the sombreros.
I know.
I walked in with that.
Ready for the Skyliner?
Mustard.
And goodbye, Econ.
Ta-ra.
Oh my.
That was a bit of a heat blast.
I have no idea what temperature is today, but it is hot. We are going back to the villa. The villa? Oh no. We're going back to Pop.
To the room.
Going back to the room. Taking the Skyliner. Regrouping for a bit.
Harry Potter theme. And then onwards again.
Yep. And then we're going to part number 3.
I said Empire Strikes Back.
Is that the only one you can remember?
That's the one that came to the head.
Well, which one is that, sir?
I have no idea. Oh, what a day.
I don't think the Rubik's Cube is rainproof.
No, I don't think it is.
We've just woken up to a storm after our nap. It doesn't seem to be cooling it down though. The humidity. Yeah. Doesn't feel like there's any air. Let's hope it's not like this for ages. Because I also want a drink.
Yeah.
I mean, we've done very well to not see one till now.
Yeah.
And we're inside at the moment it happens. If it could just last only an hour.
Yeah, providing you don't have to go anywhere.
Oh no, those people are out in it. Oh, it's alright, they got ponchos.
I bet they're warm in them ponchos. Like boil in the bag.
Boil in the bag. Do I look half asleep? Not too bad. I look like a ghost.
I don't know how long we've been asleep.
Not that. I'm not sure if it's doing it justice. Don't go check. Yeah, she looks alright. She's still in there. Hopefully that's the dry bit. Oh my goodness, people are out in it. We're stuck inside from the thunder.
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Wait till you see all snacks.
Yeah, we got snacks. And Shane's told us we've got to watch a film and not fall asleep.
Yeah, that's the main bit.
First one to fall asleep. get Shane sat on it. It'll let it Shane and then all three of us will sit on it.
I won't. Yeah, you will.
Here we are with our snacks. I'm on a Twix.
Crappiest chocolate bar in the world. And some paracetamol.
I've also got Cheetos. Twix was the only option. I'm going to watch the end of Jungle Book. And then we're watching Cars.
Yeah.
I'm going to watch Cars.
Because it's still thunderstorming.
You got the remote sim on?
Yeah, I'm waiting for Lisa to come back because I'm not rude like you.
I just wanted to ask if you got it.
Why have you not took your socks off?
Can you tell that we've been in the same room together for about 10 days?
Oh, these crisps are so good. It's salty and vinegary.
I think we've done alright being in the same room.
Alright.
I think we've been alright being in the same room.
Yeah, I've not talked to you for about 6 months after this. Right?
Okay.
We've seen you the week after.
We've seen you the week after.
So what do you think?
Oh, thanks.
So, the weather doesn't look good for the next few days. We're a bit worried we might not get Fantasmic done.
We will, tomorrow night.
If not, we'll just watch it on YouTube.
If we don't, we'll reenact it here. In the train.
Oh, Mickey.
I mean, well, that would be something.
If you stop filming me eating now, please.
Well, it's more me scoffing my face, really. It's not very cheesy.
Wow, these are good.
Knick-knacks are better.
How come you didn't go for original Cheetos?
That was original Cheetos?
They're not original Cheetos, are they?
The crunchy Cheetos.
Oh, what's original Cheetos?
Well, what's it? There.
But that's actually what I thought they were. Were they not there? I don't think I had that option.
Alright.
Anyway.
As if 4 is one serving, Shane.
Simon's got the most expensive sweets.
They're only like £5 for a bag of sweets.
I told you, that's why I identify as a family corner.
I nearly said that to you on the way out. You see that family, that big guy and his 2 kids and wife eating a pizza that you'd add to yourself? And they were sharing.
Wimps.
Right. I think we'll end it today.
What, live or? I'm not far off, to be honest, after 2 weeks.
I feel like this.
Oh, she's cheated!
I think this lights off situation is not going to help.
I'm not sure the pyjama situation. I was told I wasn't allowed to put pyjamas on because I keep falling asleep.
Go for it.
Lisa said go for it because she knew she was going to put hers on.
Shall you put your pyjamas on?
I've got one.
Have you?
Okay. So, study the day tomorrow. We're going to go find the beignets.
Who's Ben?
And yay.
Who's Ben Yates?
Oh. So, everybody say night.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Well, that's what I say. Ciao.
Ciao. Ta-ra. Good night.